Hey everyone, welcome to Codex Digest. Today I'll walk you through how to build a landing page in WordPress. Let's start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. And once you're in, head over to Plugins, then Add New. Now search for Elementor. Click Install Now, and then Activate. This is the page builder we'll use to design our landing page. Once activated, go to Pages and click Add New. You can give your page a title or skip that for now and click Edit with Elementor. If you're starting from scratch, Elementor gives you full control over layout and style without writing a single line of code. Now, inside Elementor, this is the editor where we'll build everything. You can use Elementor's default templates, but since we're on the free version, we'll use a starter template instead. Once that's set up, choose a template that fits your goal. For this demo, I used an event landing page, let's say for a UI/UX webinar. Click Import Template and Elementor will load the design for you. From here, it's all about editing the content to match your event or offer. We can scroll down the template to see what it covers. It includes details about the event schedule, the organizers, and the sponsors. You're free to add other relevant sections or remove any as needed. Want to change text? Just click on any element and start typing. You can easily update headlines, descriptions, button text, and more. These are the HTML tags we have here from H1 to paragraph. Feel free to modify them as needed. Over on the Style tab, you'll find settings for typography, color, and alignment. Choose whether left, center, right, or justified, but the default value is left. You can also edit the typography here. Choose any font you like, but try to stick to 2 to 3 font styles max to keep your design clean and consistent. You can adjust the font sizes using units like PX, EM, REM, or VW. Just choose whatever is appropriate for your layout. You can also apply text transformations, change font styles and decorations, and modify other available elements. It's a basic setup, but it gives you flexibility to customize. For this image, you can update it by clicking on the image block, then selecting Choose Image. You can either upload your own or browse the media library. In this example, we'll search for an image related to webinars. Once you find the right image, just click on it. Choose a size and then click Insert Image. It will then appear on your landing page. We can update this label to UI/UX webinar to make it more aligned. But remember, this is just an example. You'll want to be more intentional with your wording to make it more conversion-focused. Now let's scroll down. You'll see sections like About the Event, Schedule, and Speaker Info. Everything's editable. Click into any button to change the text, colors, or the link destination. Here, I'll just give you a quick insight on how layout direction works. Basically, there are 4 of them. First is row, so this is how row works. Then column, this is the behavior of column. Next are the reverse ones, which are row reverse and column reverse. They basically just reverse the order of the content. There's a lot more you can do here. If you want a full tutorial of Elementor elements, just drop tutorial in the comments. Elementor is a drag and drop builder, so feel free to experiment. Once you're happy with the layout, save your draft. Always a good habit before publishing. Then click Preview to see how your landing page looks live. And when everything's ready, hit Publish. That's it! You now have a fully functional landing page built with WordPress and Elementor. Got questions? Feel free to leave a comment and we'll help you out. Happy building!